TERRAIN boasts a gas I4 2.4 liters/145 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, wipers, front intermittent with washers, wiper, rear intermittent with washer. This GMC TERRAIN features the following options: windows, power with driver and front passenger express down, wheels, 4 to 18x 7.0, 45.7 cm by 17.8 cm, aluminum, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, tires, P235/55R18 all season, blackwall, included and only available with, REY, 4 to 18x 7.0, 45.7 cm by 17.8 cm, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitor system, does not monitor spare, theft deterrent system, suspension, soft ride, suspension, rear independent trailering arm with 3 lateral locating links, coil springs, suspension, front independent, strut type coil springs, steering, power, variable electric assist. Stop by today, test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.